So today is 31st July and we've come here to some butterfly park and it's really nice. Look, such tall trees and stuff. I love tall trees. Waiting for Nandita to fall or make it across.
I didn't know she's.
And she made it across. Yay!
Okay.
She started all the way here. Okay, so give her credit for the whole thing. I just didn't record it. Well done.
Thank you.
Now Anika.
Anika's turn.
Yeah, remove chappal. It'll
It'll be better if you remove chappal.
you'll either screw up the chappal or your legs.
Hey, keep your bag. Oh yeah. Oh my god. It's scary.
You want help? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
I'm just gonna fall. Someone.
There's nothing below. There's just.
No. Stand sideways. Sideways. Oh my
God.
god.
Okay, I don't.
Now I'm scared.
I don't want to take liability if anything happens. Focus. Okay, I'll
Walk
go the other.
sideways. I am. What do you think I'm doing?
You're trying. You're doing well. Yeah, you came so far already.
The first part was so. And my legs are pointed. This is very scary. Wait.
Find the next one. Whoa, fuck.
What is that shit? Just walking. Oh my god.
I think it's similar.
What?
Okay, everyone just left.
So you want to go there?
No, I'll record. I want to get. I want to record you fall. Don't fall, please.
My leg is hurting, man.
Just get down, aram se. Jump
No,
off.
I want to finish it.
Alright.
What gave you the idea of wearing chappal? I always wear chappal.
You got. Okay, ouch.
Why am I moving like that?
How do you do a U-turn? How did she turn back?
I feel like a spring doll. Okay, good decision.
Okay, now she's facing that way again.
What do you want? You made a fall on my face or something. Oh my god, this is so best. It's
Alright, she made it 75% of the way. Okay, now we wait for Nidhi to fall. Hopefully.
Next knuckle.
Yeah. I'm good at this, I think.
You are?
I don't know. She's gonna fall. She's gonna.
Everyone got up.
Wait,
so
someone
easily.
stand behind her at least. We don't want.
To get squished under it.
No, I think it'll be better than her hitting her head directly on the. It's very scary stuff.
Yeah, she'd rather break my bone and fall than.
Any of your falls, I'm pretty sure everyone will blame me for some reason. Okay, that's a graceful fall. I'll take it. I want to try.
Take.
I won't focus. Okay, so she's trying again. We just saw her fail.
Why is it not focusing?
I don't know.
Why is it so shaky? Exactly, you feel like a spring doll, no?
Well, I think that's the challenge.
Exactly. I'm not moving, my body is so long. Stop.
Why? Who asked you to get on?
This is so fun. It's just walking across it, I think.
I think you have to walk like.
Yay! You're halfway through. Not celebrating too soon.
You're almost halfway. Well done.
She's halfway through now.
Yeah. I'm the hype guy. Why are those two slow flips?
Exactly.
Buckle the second
Someone
one.
moved it. This is like so.
How can you move it?
I don't
Where is
know.
it missing from?
I feel like it gets easier as you. Yeah, you get the hang of
If
it.
you fall, so what's going to happen now? Still don't hit it.
Anika's trying the other thing. What? Oh my god. Imagine all the four of us swinging it together.
Who's going to record?
We can just keep it there, I guess. Okay, Nidhi almost made it through.
One. Only two left.
I didn't know this was a challenge. I finished the whole thing.
What do you do? Did that thing come down? It's so low now.
Yeah, I think it did come down. See, my shoelace is open.
Oh, I don't think
It's
that'll be a
okay.
problem.
It's okay. It was up. See, there are marks now.
Yeah, but they come out here.
No.
Smells better.
Yay, she's almost done. Almost there.
She's done.
Yep, she's done. Yay. So it's Knuckles' turn.
Like legit 5 minutes to climb that shit there.
Hey, Knuckles is doing this now. Let's see how far he goes.
Whoa, wait, calm down. Fuck me.
No.
I'm fine. No problem.
No.
Okay, so.
I'm humping it.
It's a swing.
Not that hard.
Imagine.
And the lowest point is like.
Dude, you can take pictures there, like each and one.
Exactly. But we can't keep. We should keep it near a tree or something. Oh, he's almost done here, by the way. Yep. Nakul did it too. Take. Anika's turn.
I think I was gonna try again. Please don't fall. Hey, that's why they call it a butterfly park. We saw one butterfly.
We figured it out.
Yay.
Check the number of minutes.
I feel like my hands are like dead.
Yeah, we'll check later.
Hands are never this pink.
You didn't.
I still feel like I'm wobbling.
Everyone tells me my hands look like vampire hands. They're always
Fine, it was not that bad actually. Getting on is the hard part.
Yeah.
I'm
You
not-
didn't record all of mine.
I'm not-
You did.
We just climbed that and took
Snap.
pictures. Now we're gonna go back to our bags.
Okay.
You could have brought your bags here.
No, I think you were supposed to hang from it, but wearing.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to hang from it, yeah.
Yeah, exactly, but it's too low now.
Renovation.
Don't, please. Don't fall.
What do you do like that?
You're gonna fall, you idiots.
I'm going there. What? You can balance it out. I mean, I don't think so. I'll go deeper.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, this is going high.
Hey, did I see sort? Move.
What?
Move, Nata.
Dude, the lighting here is amazing.
Natural light.
Focus! Fuck.
This one. Do you have it? Yeah, yours.
Is this still recording? I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know if this will go in the vlog. But I think it's too funny not to go in the vlog.
Maybe it's just like.
I think this is supposed to be the monkey. We think this is.
You want some external?
It was
Sup-
supposed to be higher up.
Yeah, it should be. They're supposed to be.
Okay.
So today's target is some sort of head trauma, and then only we're going home. We're gonna do the.
No, cool.
Yeah.
So much fun.
It's. Fucking work. It's 4:58.
Okay.
We have half an hour.
You know, everyone's like thinking after COVID and I'll still go to clubs and I'll hear this like.
Just fall off, fall off.
Wait.
Fall off, Aram, don't hold on.
Okay, you guys can come now. Oh my god.
It doesn't look very far.
We both will do. Come.
Okay, fine.
Look up. Look up. Look up.
Yeah, it's amazing. Fucking focus.
Okay, I'm getting up. Okay. Anika and Nakul will go forward.
Alright.
Do you pause it or what?
No.
Stop it. Oh, it's on. We can hear the peacocks, but we can't see them. Too bad because they look good and sound really bad. Move around. Okay, it's focused. Eh?
Are there more of these things?
Okay, it's Nakul and Anika's turn. Tying her shoelace. Yep. It is tilted. Nidhi, swing them. Make one of them fall. Oh shit, this doesn't focus, dude. Yeah, surprisingly, I haven't been bitten.
That's because you're wearing full shirt. There's like no participation.
Nakul doing his thing. Uh-huh.
Get our bags here.
Oh yeah. I'm tired of doing this.
Oh yeah, you swing us.
Yeah. I'll just swing him.
It hurts.
Yeah, another do it again.
There's no time.
Yep. Oh shit, this was a video. Hi. What happened to your hands?
It's red as fuck.
Yeah. Oh fuck, my nose.
The scene changes now.
Ooh, look at the
Aren't your legs sticky?
cool. Huh? No, my hands are.
Standing up.
Yeah, my hands are.
We decided to take some pictures with Anika and Nandita. Hey Nandita. Oh, there she is. This camera is fucked.
Take a picture, dude.
I did.
Okay.
I don't think they're good.
Okay, it's okay.
Once you come out, you realize how like messed up it was. They might just delete our Instagram accounts. Remember?
Exactly. What the fuck?
Yeah, as a lawyer, I wouldn't do that.
Something, no?
What happened
Someone
actually?
posted
Someone, yes, yeah.
someone out or something on Instagram, and the parents complained that you're
Catfishing.
Yeah.
What if it was actually Laltak only? It's just like, oh, that's not me.
I think it was money.
Who was asked out? Dhriti or
I
someone,
don't know.
pakka.
No. Some celebrity or
No.
somebody maybe.
God, there.
Someone
You
focus
know all
on
these
stupid thing.
Kannada people called drama was like so extreme.
Dude, I never understood what they're saying. I just remember them squealing.
Everyone had their own dramas. And then there was Sanjana, dude, you would cry all the
Oh,
time.
yeah.
Like,
Oh,
That
yeah.
was definition of toxic
I
relationship.
know that it just. Oh my god. Wait, somebody else also was there. There were a few couples that were like really long. Sakshi and Pranav. They 4 years
were they actually a thing though?
I
Yeah,
don't
they
know. Really?
Yeah.
They were for
They
a
were.
while. They were.
Oh, I
Yeah,
didn't
actually
know
were.
that. I just
They
thought he
told
was
me
the
only they
creepy
were.
dude behind her.
Oh, then he became the creepy dude behind Ananya Varshney.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So many
He
guys
liked
found out.
Varshney?
Me, yeah.
I remember
I heard you like Varshney.
everyone hated Rap because he used to talk to Priya.
Oh yeah, you know Priya actually. We were used to like. we thought
Nikhil.
Priya was so funny and don't remember in 7th grade.
At the end, Nikhil.
Yeah, I mean, we used to talk to Priya.
Yeah,
and
she was
in
like,
ninth-
nice.
And in 9th,
7th grade we shared a room with her, yeah, Damas.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, even Sri Lakshmi, no? I
Yeah.
think she was the one.
And
Siri
one more was
called.
Siri, yeah. Siri,
Yeah.
Siri was
Siri,
there.
Siri.
Yeah.
So many mosquitoes. That trip was fun.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
Not a single mosquito.
Yeah, what is biting? I think you're allergic
I
to
like how
something.
dark the wood is.
Yeah. Like look up. It looks so well built for some fuck all place.
But I don't think it's a fuck all place.
Yeah, it's not.
I mean, it's unheard of, not unpopular. That's what I mean.
I like it.
We're walking back after,
Okay.
But
We just abandoned the vlog
and then there's not much to vlog though.
Yeah, true.
So we're just walking back, and we had some tea session, which was fun.
Okay, the things have started on my legs also. It's definitely some sort of allergic reaction. Guys, if I
You
die,
want hospital?
She inhaled something.
Okay.
No, I think some grass
Making
touched her skin or something.
it's on my arms and like it just started.
Is it because of hanging on? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we came, we were walking, we're still walking.
Oh my god.
It's
I know
past the
why
closing
I'm
time,
not
but we're
late
rebels
now.
like that.
Can you hear the birds? So peaceful.
The laces need to be made of
Yeah.
sand.
Hey, hey, talk softly. Shh.
Why?
Want to hear the birds?
Now I'm addicted to it.
I don't get tingles. I never got.
You should just look for the right trigger, my friend. With me, it's like tapping.
Just two of
I hate those mouth sounds.
Yeah,
It's
even I
so
don't like them.
unnerving.
Dude, like, what is that eating
Mukbang.
mukbangs? and shit?
Mukbang. Ew. It's
Yeah, why do people watch mukbang? Aditi also watches mukbang.
Yeah.
I like only that
She sends
chicken leg piece
videos,
guy.
Bro, I can't even tell her don't.
I like that chicken leg piece guy. He's funny.
Oh my god.
You know that guy? You know that dude? You know that
There's
dude?
only two possibilities.
No.
You know,
when
he
you
eats
watch
like a
mukbang.
whole lot of thing, and then he ends up with a chicken leg piece.
Come first.
It's okay, kill them.
I just told you.
So we were leaving, and we walked a bit, and then Anika realized she's lost her keys. But we had a pretty good hunch of where it's gonna be, and good news, that's where it was. So we came back. Nandita and Nidhi had to go. They're walking ahead. I don't think we can catch them up, but we're gonna try. We came back to look for the keys, and we found it. Yay! That's pretty much it. Now we're gonna walk back the whole way. We're thinking of walking back the whole way. Because like I think it's 4 kilometers total till home.
We can do it, it's not
Yeah.
that we can do it, it's fine.
We can do it. And even at any point if we don't, we can take an auto and pay less.
Hey, while going, we'll go to the supermarket. I'll buy
Yeah,
you
yeah.
something.
I'll buy you something.
No, you helped me, that's why.
Oh, nothing. Okay. We'll buy ourselves whatever we want. Alright, see you at the supermarket, I guess.